My name is Rafael Escobar, Service Manager at Just Catamarans. What I enjoy most about working with Catamarans is honestly the people. The community of Catamaran people, they're just great people. They've succeeded in life and they're looking to have an enjoyable time, and being part of that season of people's life is really enjoyable. And even outside the technical side, the people are my favorite. How Just Catamarans ensures the quality of the work leaving the yard, I would say it was multiple follow-ups and testings before the boat leaves. Every time the boat leaves without good testing, it always comes to bite you. So I think it's just following up, having managers following up, and then following up ourselves to inspect. The quality of Just Catamarans, our standard is the ABYC standard. Expectation clients can have coming to Just Catamarans is to have top-notch quality, good communication, and excellent workers. Our workers are not also good at what they do, they're actually really nice guys. We like to hire guys with personalities and that are enjoyable to be around, so it makes a big difference. Clients often do become our friends. I just had clients I met with this morning that were a referral from one of those clients that have become good friends over the years. The relationship that builds going through the process of learning a whole new way of life with the client really bonds you together, and also the extensive amount of training we do with our clients to understand their boats better really brings you close together. In my 17 years at Just Catamarans, it's been a fun and wild ride. From 5 people to 30 employees or so now, we've grown quite a bit, and being one of the first installers on catamarans of lithium over 10 years ago, it's been a fun ride, and seeing the new technology come out with the 48-volt systems and all the new solar technology and digital switching and all the challenges that come with all those things. It's been very exciting to be a part of that, as well as all the brands we get to work with, from brands all over France, South Africa, China now, Taiwan, Thailand. You know, it's definitely get to meet really cool people from all over the world. Keeping up with marine technology is a hard thing. While running a business, trying to spend the time to track down new things, a lot of it has to do with the connections we make at boat shows, connecting with the manufacturers, the boat builders, and becoming friendly with those people helps you stay in the know. When you're friendly with these people, they just offer things to you, and you get to spend time and get to try some of the newest stuff. So I think it's really key point is probably the boat shows around the country, making sure you attend. I think for the clients coming into the catamaran world, I believe that it's a very exciting adventure of their life, and the people you get to meet in this community are truly exceptional. Everyone wants to spend time together, everyone wants to connect when they're out on the water. So if you're a people person, it's a great place to be. As well, if you're not a people person, it's very easy to isolate yourself. So I think it's a great community for all types of people, and I think it's something that people always will enjoy if they take that step to get on the water. Just Catamarans is always happy to help any client with any boat they have, and we would love to work with you at any time on any project. We're very open to doing new things, and we have lots of experience with doing standard installs as well. So love to be of service. Give us a call.